So we're going to look at movement. So hopefully by now you've logged into Scratch and you've opened up a blank project. Now, first thing I'm going to do is give it a title, movement, or controls, whatever you want. So the idea is we're going to get something on the screen which we can move around in a Pac-Man sort of way. So I'm going to delete the cat. We don't want the cat. And I'm going to find some sort of sprite that is more like a ball. So we could use this ball here, or basketball, or whatever. I think there's a beach ball somewhere. I'm going to choose the beach ball because that'll just help you to see something that you need to know. So if I type in here beach ball, there we go, and put that in there. So we're going to make that ball move around the screen. Now, if you want to resize it, you can do that here. So I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. I'll go to 50, like that. And then you can obviously set it to whatever starting position you want. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get that beach ball to just move continuously. So I'm going to use an event. So when the flag is clicked, it's going to start moving. Now, if I just put in move, which you'll find under motion, then it's just going to move 10 steps. So let's play that. That's all it does. We want it to keep moving. So what we actually have to do is we need to put that move inside a forever loop. So we're going to put a forever loop there. Move. Now this is going to go pretty fast, like that. Now what I usually do, rather than just have it go like that, I normally use a wait as well. So it just waits ever so slightly in between each move. So I'm going to make that really small, like 0.05, and then play it. And then that moves a little bit more stably rather than just continuously. So we've made it move. Problem is, it's going to just keep moving and you can't actually change direction. So that's what we're going to do now. So there's lots of different ways you can do this. I'm going to show you how to make it go down to start with, and you can work out how to do the rest. So we're going to say when a certain key is pressed, the down arrow, change the direction. So we're going to find change direction. You could use turn, but we're going to use change direction, which is this one, point in direction. I want it to go down, so we'll make it 180. So let's see what that does this time. Do that, press down, and it starts going down. So you can probably guess, if you wanted to do up, you'd do the same thing, but you'd set it to 0 degrees. Right would be set to 90 degrees. Left would be set to minus 90 degrees. Okay, so you should be able to work out how to make the other keys work to make it move in different directions. Now, we also have another problem, because when we run this, the ball might end up, for example, down here. Okay, and then when we run it again, it's going to start from down there again. So we actually want to set the starting position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it where I want to start it. And then I'm going to drag out under the when that's clicked, go to a certain position. So I want it to go to, and you can see the coordinates here, minus 148 by 102. It's actually already got that in because that's where the ball is when I put the block in. So this time if I run it, it goes down and stops. But when I hit the flag, it goes back to the starting position that I want. Now, and also set the direction I wanted to go in. So I could say point in direction 90, which will mean it'll point that way. So we'll play it this time, and you can see it goes to the right because it's pointing in the direction 90 degrees. So that's pretty good now. Now, another thing I don't like is when I play this and press down, the beach ball actually turns around. Now, I just wanted to go right to left. I don't want it to sort of turn around when it goes down. So to stop that from happening, I can go back into motion and I can set the rotation style here. And I'm going to set it to left, right. So it'll turn left and right, but it won't rotate all the way around. So this time I'll play it, press down, and you can see that it doesn't change. It doesn't rotate the ball around as if it's turned a corner and going in a different direction. So your job now is to get a program, a basic program, which is going to have some sort of ball there. It doesn't have to be a beach ball, which you can control with the arrow keys. and I want it to move automatically and change direction when you press the arrow keys. If you want to, you can also build in a key which makes the ball stop so it doesn't move at all. So that is your challenge, and there'll be some extension stuff for any of you who finish that.